What, gone around and well, the side of the car was all wrecked as well.
And there's holes in the front as well.
Oh.
Make it a non-event.
Just as the Cookie Monster has been accused of shoving a 2-year-old in New York's Times Square after the toddler's family refused to tip him.
Oh dear, when they had low BMI, if all you eat are cookies.
She was 5.
Monkey lessons
and then
sort of.
she left the jungle and
It must be, that's sad, isn't it, when you know you grow up.
Going anyway, only one way or the other.
It's just pets. What are you doing?
There's another one. Lane 3 to the Stoke Road. Vinegary?
About
Vinegary?
vinegary? Is that a word?
I don't know. What are you doing?
About
An entrance.
not a lifestyle that I'd like.
Combination through the website planetblock.com/tickets.
That car just gone through a red light.
Red light, yeah.
Oh, and it's got carried on going through
Carried
the
on
red
going through a red light.
Servicing offer available for finance customers.
Yes, I saw. To be fair, I thought it was already dead.
There you go, dickhead.
Oh, don't feel a phone, that would have been so satisfying, but then you would.
Frustrating transfer window. All the money in the world in the Saudi sovereign wealth freeway, but they can't spend any of it because of financial fair play rules, ruining all.
indicate. Who needs indicators, eh? Who needs them?
Because it's just under 6 minutes long. The long prime doesn't fade as well. So fairly long.
Where are we going then? Left or right? Because on your lovely Insignia estate, your indicators definitely appear to be faulty. Actually, it nearly crashed into the Focus. Top job. It's not like there was any rush to get out the junction, but there you go.
I just don't understand.
Why would you stop there?
They did it last time, that's the same van.
I was thinking it.
Great parking.
This is a Wolseley 450, and here are some stats about it. 0 to 60 in 31.6 seconds. Yes, should we just say that's leisurely? I can say about this other than it's yellow. And here we have a final exhibition, Lotus Exige 390 Sport.
I can't get it out of the car.
Somewhat modified, this one I think. It's somewhat later Alvis than the last one we saw, but an Alvis nonetheless. This one being a saloon.
Oh, is the bus broken? It actually has.
It actually has.